On today's episode, we installed the drive shaft. Yeah!
All right, this week we're gonna swap out the drive shaft that was damaged on my road trip across country. U-joint exploded on the highway in California. I fixed it with some JB Weld in a Holiday Inn hotel parking lot. But I think it's time to swap this out and get rid of this leaky seal. Nice sized dent in the exhaust from when it broke off. But yeah, the shaft that I'm gonna swap it out with is from the brown 88 Blazer, the LT swap Blazer. So I'm gonna clean that up, put new U-joints in it, and get it ready to swap out. A lot of heat and a socket. See the Teflon burning out. Not too much heat. Okay. All right, not the greatest drive shaft, but I'm gonna run it. Just a little pivot. I think some Rust-Oleum will fix that. So last week I had the whole dashboard apart. I had the wiring harness out. I was chasing a fault, kept blowing a fuse. I had no running lights and no gauge lights, and I figured it out. I found out that when I wired up the radio, I took the brown wire from the light switch. I guess it went to the stock radio. Somewhere on a forum said it was for when you hit the emergency brake, it puts it on mute. I don't know if that's true. But the brown wire from the light switch I had running to the ground on the radio. See that? I didn't record any of that problem because I was so concentrated on just getting it fixed so I can drive it at night. Got the parts, and they're made in Mexico. And the seal is also made in Mexico. I do it the old school way and just install it with a hammer and a block of wood and a socket. I don't have a big enough vise here to do that, to press them in, or I don't even have a press here, so let's get going. Piece of cake. Now, let's see if we can do this. Oh! Put that clip in. Oh yeah. some metal. That's probably like oh, we got a winner. I got a little drip. Ah. All right, don't forget to grease her up. She's driving pretty smooth.